This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the right account and that File Explorer is available. This avoids permission headaches. Next, press Win+E for instant access, or click the folder icon pinned to your taskbar. Once open, use the left navigation pane to find Quick Access or This PC. Make sure to pin frequently used folders so you can reopen them with a single click. This saves time and prevents repetitive navigation when you need files quickly. Once File Explorer is open, use the address bar to jump directly to a folder by pasting a full path or typing it. This is faster than clicking through many levels. If you need a specific item, use the search box at the upper right and apply filters like date, type, or size to narrow results. Make sure to enable the details or preview pane. This gives you quick file info and a preview so you can confirm the right file before opening or moving it. You finish by closing unused Explorer windows or using Ctrl+W to keep your workspace tidy. This reduces distractions. If File Explorer freezes, open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S, end the Explorer. EXE process, then choose Restart to recover without rebooting. If the graphical interface is unreliable, use the Run dialog, Win+R to open folder paths directly. This bypasses some UI problems. One quick tip: check your user permissions if folders stay inaccessible, since that's often the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.